Imagine this house, guys, was an old farmhouse at one point in time, and that they owned, probably understand how places just go abandoned. From the history that I read on the place, though, it did say that a couple lived here up until about the year 2000, which 20 years ago. But definitely like this video if you can, and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Because you can keep up with our videos and check out all the abandoned houses and stuff that we explore. Thanks for checking the place out. What is up, guys? We're out here today at an abandoned house. I saw this one on a Facebook page, actually. I figured we'd come up and check it out. Thanks to the page, the house was in good condition when the kids came here the first time, but kind of looks like it is not in good condition at the moment. Let's see what people left here. Looks like they left some kind of weird writing, weird letters and stuff over here. This one's a very weird one, guys. This is a little meeting area. A couple guys drinking some beers one night and just sat here. And then we got this room where they got a bunch of old documents and stuff. What looks like an old gun safe, but it's not. None dare call it treason. It sounds like people are outside. Over here. Back that way. Like I can just hear people talking. Weird bed frame, guys. Motorbike. Roses. Very weird. Try to have your Bible though. Jars for the ages back there. All kinds of old crap. And that's why that door wouldn't open, because it's barred across. Nice books. I do not want to shower in here. Ever. Planners and stuff. Interesting place.